So, George, tell me why you made an unbiased website on climate change and global warming. Like, what was your motive?
I think, Kevin, it's because I have been interested for over 10 years now in what is causing climate change. And that led me to understand the, uh, the chemistry, the thermodynamics of our planet, and how it reacts to incoming solar radiation, and how that solar radiation has varied for millions and millions of years. And since the dinosaurs, for example, at the time of the dinosaurs, the planet was about 20 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than today. There was no polar ice, no ice in Greenland or Antarctica or in the Arctic. And after the asteroid collision occurred,
Well, wait a minute. You're telling me that it was way, way hotter, but there was no carbon dioxide, and I mean that just goes against every conventional wisdom.
actually at the time of the dinosaurs lived, the carbon dioxide level has been estimated by geologists to have been about 1,000 parts per million, compared to about 385 parts per million in the atmosphere today. But that has got to do with the heating of the oceans and the balance of energy equation. The fact of the matter is, when the oceans get warm enough, and the oceans, by the way, have more carbon dioxide dissolved in them by far than the atmosphere, but when the oceans get warm, they can no longer absorb any more carbon dioxide. And
Okay.
therefore, the carbon dioxide is retained in the atmosphere.
So your motive in this website was simply to give people some real facts so they could understand and ponder the situation from an unbiased point. I mean, the bias point is the issue I think that people want to know about. You're just doing this as a senior who just wants to get real science out. And I mean, the bias point, the right and the left, or the up and the down, or whatever you call them, they're always at war, and it's really annoying. So, can you tell me more about that?
Well, it's annoying in the sense that uh, we have been, I think the world has been polarized into believing in anthropogenic uh, global warming caused by atmospheric carbon dioxide released by the industrial revolutions into the atmosphere. And the fact is that this is not true. The level of carbon dioxide has been very low at times when the planet has been very warm.
That's the key. That's the proof, in other words.
It's part of the proof, yes.
Oh, okay, there's more to it.
Yes, there's a whole bunch of other things going on that has to deal with the astronomical reality and the geographical reality of our planet.
So you need a bigger perspective to really get this.
That's why I'm writing the book, The Seven
Right.
Realities of Climate Change.
Okay, so it's coming in piece by piece on the website.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks.
Okay, you're welcome.